It's Mandalo. It's Mandalo.
Mandalo, it's nerd out time! It's nerd out time! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Knowledge rules! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Fibonacci, golden pockets, juice! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Nerd, 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 Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Juice!
It's Mandalo.
Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Knowledge rules! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Fibonacci, golden pockets, juice! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Nerd, 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 Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Juice!
Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Happy Wednesday. How's the sound doing? Yeah. The math is the math. The juice is the juice. The levels are the levels. Let's go. Doing great, Damon. Thank you. How are you, brother? Good morning, Indolion, Curvies, Vladimir. Let's go. Sammy, Bergix, Coke Zero. Shoutouts PSG. Stand up. Stand up. Who juicing? Who juicing? The math is the math. Let's get it, Coke Zero. Nitrogen. Let's go. Shoutouts calling noob. Exclamation puff in the chat. Let's go. I can't wait till we get the GIF commands back. Kozar. Pipeline. Radan. Let's go. Let's go. Bitesore. Dr. Nerdala. Let's go. Shoutouts, Bitesore. How are you doing, brother? Latisse. You got your shirt yet? You got your shirt yet? It's nerd out time. MEXC 83. Merch. I'm going to hit you with this shameless plugs. Oh, there we go. How's that looking? Can you see it? Oh, that's noise. That's nice. V1. I need to load up on the V2 merch, though. That stuff is nice. It sounds very quiet. It's the same that it was before. Is it any better? Let me get situated. Is that better? I have it. It's not better. I have it tempered down a little bit because I'm just screaming, juice, 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 Bugatti, 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 Bugatti. The math is the math. It's too easy. Sammy, do you... Okay. All right. Yeah, but we're going to be jamming out some music, so need to be able to hear me over that, I guess. Big cheers. Yeah, thanks. Thanks, guys. Glitch, let's get it. Good morning. Sammy, I know you aren't. Shout outs. How you doing, brother? Maybe some prediction points? Oh. I'm not doing market predictions, but I'll do some prediction points. Nitrogen. Feeling the predictions. Let's get them in. Market open, 20 minutes. Yeah, there's only but so many different time options. Okay, we got U.S. market open in 25 minutes. Is the math the math? Is the juice the juice? Are the FOMC minutes the FOMC minutes? The one event that's happening this week that I know of. Yeah. Who could have seen this coming? Who could have planned for this? Can't be Lions. It's got to be Testnet. Yanthro, big cheers. How you doing? Yeah, thanks. The Gandalf is strong. I need to cut it, honestly. But it's about to be winter, so maybe next summer. Shoutouts PSG. Let's get it. So Guru, big cheers on the resub. Happy 420, good morning. The Keeper, Crispy, good morning. Shoutouts to YouTube, Bobby Toxic Pedals, Indo Lion. Jasa, it's Kimba AI, Stream Elements, let's get it. Tiago, Eat Lead, yo. Kimba ate a lot of lead paint. Oh wait, that was me. He's on a little break, and he'll be back soon. He'll be back soon. Big cheers. Yeah, you're going to miss out on all of his juice. You're going to have to suffer through me a little bit longer. It was weird. Every single day for a month and then not streaming yesterday morning. Yeah, it said that I had some IRL stuff. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit different next week too, and like moving forward really until KIMBA returns. Yeah. It's been a while. A lot of fun. We've been having a lot of fun. We've been juicing on the levels. We've been juicing on the TA. We've been juicing on giveaways, and I think we have more coming this week. Exclamation dashboard. Make sure that you get your UIDs for the exchanges in. Give them a little look-see. See if any of them suit you. Most of them are no VPN, no KYC, but do your own research. Make sure you read the fine print to make sure it's not one of the exchanges or things that are not Gucci in your region, but most of them are in most regions. Exclamation VPN, exclamation Palau, exclamation Discord. Let's get it. Shoutouts maybe Band-Aid. Taking profit. Yeah, stream schedule is in that dashboard too, so make sure that you check that thing out. And you can also customize your avatars that are dancing across the bottom of the screen in there. So upload your own personal PFP. Yeah, it's like your ATM machine, right? Personal PFP. Let's go, maybe Band-Aid. Who juicing? Let me guess. You, Coke, Damon, Namgog. Shoutouts Namgod. Soguru. Everybody is in a 126 or higher short. And hedge long at 120, 600. Let me guess. Aloha, Ronnie. Lux Slayer, let's get it. Shout out Soguru. Yep. The math is the math, isn't it? Yeah, things are looking good. Things are looking good. It could look a little bit better, to be quite honest, but it is looking pretty good. Shout outs, 83rd. Let's go. Checkster. Damon. Yeah, waiting for the gap. Damon, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. That was a lot of strength, even though it did tuck back in. It was an hourly and 30-minute close above the level, even after losing it. We really didn't get confirmation of any substance until we made a lower low. So the resistance that we're seeing here is simply market structure. And honestly, we reclaimed on the daily open. So daily close was back inside. Mostly anyways. Inside the level, not inside the sweep. Yeah. Still bullish. Yeah, I'm not bearish yet. Yeah, there has to be. To me, I feel like another lower low will increase the bearishness. We have a higher high, a lower high, and a lower low. We need a lower high, like a real lower high off of this low. And another lower low will kind of like bring us down possibly to that 118 level of significance that we were talking about. And right before we came off stream on Monday, Coke Zero wedged it in for all of us to juice. And we talked about some of the levels of significance. And I was like, man, anything above 118 is still like in play. You know, things are looking good. And that 120, 200-ish was value area high for the previous range. And now we are sitting in hey. Oh, it went down to Binance. Ugh. Shout outs Binance. Don't worry about it. I'm not hating on y'all. But here's our fixed range from the breakout. Established above 120. And it's kind of, I mean, we thought that it was somewhat accepting back inside. Was that a 4-hour close inside? Yeah. 4-hour close back inside the level. But not quite. Yeah, this box is for this. And it happens to be the daily level, the previous highest daily close at around 123.4. And it's pretty clean for that. It's pretty clean for that. It was support for that little bounce. It was support when we came up here to kind of push to the highs. Now we need to get back above weekly VWAP. Yep. Strong above daily VWAP. Holding mostly a support monthly VWAP. Looking all right. Yeah, but the weekly VWAP and that level 123.4 would be nice to get above to maybe take another high or take another run for the highs. And this is a little bit weaker now. There's definitely some liquidity. Exclamation BTC live. Yeah, you can see the Kingfisher and high block liquidity maps, as well as Bookmap. Shoutouts to the team restoring Bookmap just in time for market open. Let's go. Shoutouts Gypsy. Let's go. We strong. Exclamation we strong. 39 months Let's go, brother. Big cheers. I see. Revs QQ. Crispy. Lord Gage. Let's go. Hello, Lala. Somebody caught the pixel bottom of ETH? Binance. The Binance Super Cycle. Aloha, Ronnie. YouTube keeps switching it from live chat to top. Good morning, Piyush. How are you? Let's go. Start jamming to stop loss and profit. Yeah. Yeah. We need to start jamming, don't we? But first, we're just going to kind of throw it back a little bit. How's the volume on that? Maybe Band-Aid. Shoutouts to you, brother. Thank you. Making it rain on Nusty Boy. Let's get it. Big cheers. The gang is juicing. Maybe Band-Aid. He juicing. Spreading the love. Big cheers. Riddler, good morning. Jamaica. Hedging, still have a short. Let's go. My ninja. Yeah, let's go, Gypsy. Man, if you haven't seen Gypsy's art, something special. Something special. Yeah, love that dude. Love all of you. Big cheers. Tigran, how we doing? Yanthro Curvies. Let's go, 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 go. Back to work. Calling noob is cracking the whip. Let's go. Let's go. Shoutouts to all the mods. Housty, Cage, Buzz, Chauncey, MGK. Shoutouts to me. Tiggy, let's go. I haven't seen you in here in a little bit. I miss you. And shout out to Coin Nerd. Am I missing anybody? I always say that. Oh, Cyper! For God's sakes. Cyper's my boy too. Love you, buddy. Yeah, Cyper's working on some cool things too. Yeah, might even get to see him up here a little bit more. Let's go. Ace, good morning. How we doing? Yeah. All right. So we kind of halfway did some TA on Biddy. Looking pretty good. Held the level. Naked point of control below. It is. You got a single print below us. Right here. Failed auction. Higher high. Need to turn this into support. And it kind of is. Let's see. This is a good song. You guys got music, right? It looks like it is for me. Yeah, it's not a problem to grab the rest of that baby single print. It's not that big of a deal. And the single print really is like from here. But yeah, it's trying to hold that structure. Chart move, I don't blink. Zone react, I'm on the brink. Imbalance talking, I think. Open interest like a link. Don't care for loud, I read the flow. Yeah, that's value area high. You got point of control way down there. Maybe we'll do it from the buyback after all the selling. Yeah, point of control is still down at the lows. Maybe we'll do it from this buyback. A little better. Point of control is higher. Right around VWAP. Maybe Wick. Yeah, that was quite a sell-off yesterday, wasn't it? Who juicing? Nice little rotation. Nice little rotation. And shout outs to CoinWise. Isolation CoinWise. If you don't know what you're looking at on the screen, well, we are using a lot of CoinWise's indicator suite. We have TPO and PVP. And we have levels, which includes VWAP. TPO PVP has volume profile levels and TPO levels calculated and displayed in a clean manner. You also get to see single prints, initial balance, like all kinds of Gucci stuff. Yeah, there's all kinds of order flow things too that we periodically are checking. All in one place instead of having 60 windows open, we just have 60 indicators on one chart. But really they have a great handful of customizable indicators, and it's super juice to be able to tailor them to your own liking. 8 years, bro. Let's go. Yeah, Buzzo. Let's get it, Buzz. Big cheers. Yeah. Start your trading journey. Give the indicators. They're pro indicators. That's the ones that we have up here. Let's go S&P. All right, let's click it over to somewhere else. But you know, we're kind of running into a little bit of resistance up here naturally, and it's the 05. Yeah, the little box was like the order block that had confluence with weekly VWAP and the Fibonacci. But point of control is much higher. Yeah, so smack in between the 05 and the golden pocket. And that's not the reason that I drew the box there. It was just single print, the hourly order block. Low that brought the high. Yeah, and the pullback, I can see a tap in value area high, along with some of the other confluence that I mentioned down here at these lows. This is okay in Coinbase. Let's look at our boomer markets. It's an RTH. Yeah, looking like there might not be that much of a gap. Mall gap up. 8 years, bro. Let's go. Money shifting into gold. Yeah, probably until the minutes come out. We'll see. We'll see this afternoon. Yeah, we got about 4.5 hours until those minutes drop. And that's index. Let's go over to ES. Yeah, got one of those single prints. VWAP right below, and CME, it's a little bit different. And then in ES, yeah, so gonna break back up. A little bit of resistance right here before that push. And that was that push to the highs yesterday happened in ETH. We opened and it was opening test drive. So it's like a daily open, initial balance play. No plans for the greatest. Oh, ETH. We'll go over to ETH in a few minutes. Just trying to get our plan set for market open. Yeah, probably finish TAing this one and look at ETH and Sol and a few others. Yeah, I think tomorrow will probably be a little bit more juicier since the minutes are so close to close. We might see like lower volume into that. That's just patterns, historical, confluence. Yeah, right underneath weekly VWAP, PDEQ. And let's see it on RTH. Let's go Byte Soar. Yeah, Byte. Shout outs to you. Thank you. Joe 4N. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, ETH kind of did the same thing as Biddy. Just came back and retested and kind of overshot that retest a little bit, but failed auction and reclaimed. Yeah, that's your VWAP bands from somewhere. From all the way, the breakout. I don't really care too much for that. It's looking okay. Make sure I turn the right TPO one on. Yeah.
Juice and my levels, we never settle. Math gon' hold it down. Data gon' hold it down. Juice and my levels.
So way below previous day value. Oh wait. That's RTH. Yeah, back inside value area. If we do volume instead.
I'm scalping, I'm trading. They think it's manipulation. The trades I'm taking, they can't even imitate.
Yeah, right inside value area.
Just patience, know what I'm saying.
That looks like volume value area low. Or volume value area high up here. And a naked point of control. That's interesting. Maybe we clean some of this high off the open. See if we turn this into support. We're holding VWAP. Daily VWAP. And monthly VWAP's right here as well. And there's your weekly VWAP. So yeah, we'll kind of let the open guide the way. Yeah, Damon's got his Hermes umbrella out. Let's go, Shwani. Yep, we got it like 1 minute and 10 seconds. Trishul, good morning. Yes, sir, Buzzo. I have been looking at ETH. ETH is one of my, it's on my list for sure. Buzzo, how you doing in your LTC? You still in it? We're gonna TA that one for you too. Big cheers. Ghost G, Benzo. Shoutouts to Benzos. Mark, how we doing? Justin Michiel. Gold. Shoutouts Marcio. Shamaz. Alright, and then our CME. What was that box from? I don't know. I don't want to like reverse engineer it. We are ding 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 market open. Let's get it. Smooth most important thing is where are we? Open and gap up. Gap up.
You said copy me, but you spazzing out. Panicking live, trying to figure it out. Your levels ain't clean.
Oh, it's good I turned previous day settlement off.
I waited, I trusted, I followed your lead.
Yeah, there's still like a bit of a baby gap up
While you
there.
post wins, dodging the heat. I see through that, I bring receipts.
Shout out to CoinWise. These indicators are juice. Just had to spend time to really dial them in. Yeah, baby gap. Baby gap up this morning. Not even big enough for our gap detector to put in. I think you can refine it so it is more more precise with it. Yeah, just reading and trying to get a coherent sentence out of my mouth. Il Pasoto, good morning. A 38.7 fever, that is intense. I hope you feel better, brother. Take a nice cold bath. It's above. Dip the tip. We did the tip yesterday. It was a test drive yesterday. Strat, good morning. How we doing? Natero, J-Bucks. Curvies. Yeah, big love. Il Pasoto. Feel better, brother. Open it up in the single print. On CME. PDEQ above. Levels. Weekly VWAP to me. Weekly VWAP is kind of the line. We're holding the level that we needed to. It's a bad low down below though for RTH anyways. The low on Biddy, spot, and perpetuals is okay. It's not bad. And I think we have Boo Gammas restored, so let's see what we got going on over there. Exclamation YouTube. We have all of the highlights, all the nerd outs, all the talent shows. Exclamation dashboard to see it live. Exclamation YouTube to catch the replay. See all of our plans. Exclamation Boo Gamma for the YouTube members. S&P Gamma stream and order flow. And exclamation EXO for the EXO stream that we have. Exclamation BTC Live for our bookmap, iBlock, and Kingfisher stream. Oh, it's got Agar on it too. Yeah, 6760 maybe. $67.50, $67.60. Those are pretty strong. Little thing at 68. Yeah, I'm such a boomer. I can't even see. 6,800 maybe. And then 7,000. It's not that far away, ladies and gentlemen. It sounds insane. It's not that far.
Damn, Kimba, you did that?
Damn, Kimba, you did that?
Juice on me now. Levels got me floating.
Dip the gap, but not mine. right. Bad low here now. Still calculating. Just kind of stop me if I don't know what I'm talking about, but price down, OI down. Is that bearish or bullish? Or not bearish or not bullish? Turn the music down a little. Okay. The mic is up really loud. I'm in the yellow. How's that? Is that better? It's because I scream a lot. You know. It's gotta be testnet. Better. How's the music sound now? Tops in. Busalo, you were bullish the other day, weren't you? Yeah, not bearish. Shoutouts Fib Math. Fezulek. It's better. Better for you. Well, I'm here to serve. Thanks, Buzzo. Yeah, but I'm screaming in the mic. Like, I don't want to blast your ears off. Yeah, longs. We didn't really have that much licks, I don't think. Let's see if I can get that on here. I was like setting everything up, and then that went by the wayside this morning. Yeah, I got like a little eye thing going on, so I'm trying to sort that out. Where are you? Yeah, I'm just trying to pull up the order flow for everybody. The big thing.
Kimbo, and they gonna stop playing with us.
Juice at my levels. We never
I know it's blank, I'm sorry.
hold it down. Data gon' hold it down. Juice at my levels. Yeah. Blunt smoke, I'm clever.
Y'all still hear me?
As long as I got juice at my levels. Juice at my levels. Juice at my levels.
What's going on here?
Math gon' hold it down. Data gon' hold it down.
Well, that's a little bit better. Yeah, Coinalize does this sometimes, but it doesn't like link up with ABS. We had some long stop out of for TP at the top.
Data is my foundation. All I'm taking is full rotations.
Shorts really kind of hitting it hard up here and through the lows. Some of them stopped out. We got about, let's see where we are here. 60. $64 million. Potentially underwater. Might just be hedges, but that's not a great thing for bearishness. And they've been really having some more interesting behavior with longs recently. I think that they might be watching the stream. Can I make my Coinalize work? Probably not. Well, trust me. The source is strong. We'll just look at this. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's looking okay. Did that hide it? I'm gonna do it from here. Until it broke out. Yeah, value area high is incoming. It's right above where our VWAP is. Pointing control a little bit below. That lines up with fibs in the low time frame. Yeah, the point of control is like the 75786 for the whole low. Actually, this is not a good low. But then the high wasn't great either. Yeah, so golden pocket. We're hitting the 05 and VWAP, that value area high. There's reasons for it to be a bounce here. I'm not aggressively pursuing a trade right now. That was our level and the retest was pretty solid. Not the greatest in TPO terms, and definitely this is poor. And that's one of the things that I consider. But changing structure is a good thing. Yeah, I don't really want to like use a trend line, but I'm gonna use a trend line. It's only 2 taps anyways. So just kind of like a visual for how we want to look at it. That's strong though. There was a lot of longs at the top. Calculate. And we stopped a lot of longs out. Hit him with the D. Gap filled. Gap filled. Jamaica. 6180. Yeah, juicy bottom shorts. That's right, Fib Math. Hakan, how we doing? Strat. ICP. Did I just get in a time machine to 2021? I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'll try and squeeze that one in. We're gonna look at ETH, Sol, LTC, which is also a throwback, but shout outs to Doc Emmett Brown. Oh, shout outs to this dude. Buzzo, you got him? Oh wait, Ah, nailed it. Ret. I didn't think I had my panel open. CFX, huh? Frescon. Nookie. Curvies. Yeah, don't click on that one. If you did, burn your computer. Well. Do we have unfinished business? You all know my bias. We're above 118. Support. That's the big level to me. And even losing it, I'll reclaim as hella bullish. Flo Phantom, good morning. How are we? How are we doing? Alright, let's go back over and check some altcoins. ETH. It front ran. It front ran that level by like $8. Did it take it on Binance? No. Who had a TP at a sweep? That is one of the reasons that it is often a good idea to TP a little bit as a front run to a sweep level, just in case. I've learned that lesson the hard way. Yeah, we all like to think of liquidity, but you also have to like kind of consider like how much is that going to change your maybe 10% or 20 or 30% take profit. If you take profit, you know, at 47.49 versus 47.68, just a little bit of shaving. Versus, like, you got to think about the RR on that too. What if it round trips and you haven't taken any profit? Or what if you like have to do your trailing stops when it loses this consolidation? That's a lot lower than it is up here, isn't it? Whoopee! Let's go, Sophia. Today open outside a previous value area on ETH. You need to get back inside previous day value area and it instead rejected from it. So that would be a very important level to get to. Yep. Above our value area, the consolidation. We need to get inside yesterday's value area, which is the orange line that the magnet tool is not working with. Plus our structure. That would be a good start. But we're holding value area, daily open, and really trying to get back above VWAP. Guessing this is golden pocket too. Yeah, almost a 7.5 in this smaller fib. Gotta get that off of here. Yeah, you had that high. I don't know that this is done. If Biddy reclaims and starts pushing again, like You see this a lot, like just kind of a quick push up or a quick push down off the open, and then reversing, just kind of like wiping out some people. You know, gap fill maybe. At least for the bigger assets. Yeah, we swept that whole level down below. Down here. It's really annoying how TradingView does that. Yeah, lots and lots of sweeps. The 4420. 4460 is like pretty important as well. But that was the kind of area that we had talked about for a long time. Oh, I'm in. God. I came over here to see if it was going to sweep it in Binance Perps. Yeah, that level was from hella far back. I'm gonna adjust the box. Delete the box. You get a single print. Now I can turn the tool back on. It's probably 786 to 886 or something. That high is bad, and then we have a weak high up there as well. It's just KIMBA box. It's just KIMBA box. Yeah, maybe it comes up and cleans up the single prints, but there's a lot down here that we close below. And the daily. Quit playing with me. Oh, it's a 3-day. What am I doing?
KIMBA gang made another one.
Yeah, it held on the daily and swept it this morning. That's pretty good. You know, you might clean up that inefficiency or this one down to 42.50. You really don't want to though. But that could be a higher low. Yeah, there's a whole lot of volume up here at this point. Yeah, pointing control to 4,300 now. Glow up, no chain. Patience is my name. Let's see where VWAP is. I'm just doing my thing. I'm just doing my thing. From the high and from the low at 43.68. I just check my edge, I'm locked in. No fronting. Price tap, no stunting. I'm good. No busting. That's a pretty good pull. Discussion. KIMBA gang on the track. Any long entries for BTC? Maybe. Yeah, let me get through a couple of the alts real fast, and then we'll check back in before the hourly and the first 30 minutes for U.S. markets. 220 on Sol. How about that? Failed auction below that level. Needs to hold it. 221. Oh my gosh. I did not draw that. When did that happen? Monday at noon. That box is from so far back. That is pixel perfect. That was from the point of control. That's juice. Happy hump day. No Diabito. Shout outs to you. 5 p.m. Dubai. Whale action on the yachts. Yeah. Open the cold wallets. Is that what's happening? Yeah, maybe a V-shaped recovery.
Useless Lines Records.
That is so juice. Naked point of control and just big volume point of control from what we lost. Juice. And then we lost it, and it's gotta be testnet. Gotta be testnet. Yeah, we start coming in here. Yeah, the 211 is interesting. This is not truly a single print. That's a 4-hour chart. That's a big single print. And you get stacked single prints. I mean, it definitely broke structure, but it might be holding. No. You want that same thing white. I don't know, it looks like we lost the level. We don't want the lunchtime close inside of there. Biddy's holding. It's getting bought back. Soul's not looking as good, but it's still holding that 221, which is the most important level. Just as we anticipated last week when we broke up on Wednesday or Thursday, there's a high probability of trading between the 240, the 244, and the 220 once that level was claimed. It's resistance up there, it's support right here. Both of those areas, especially the 220, have historical importance for quite some time. Buzz, I'll get you to LTC soon. Look at that. That's juice. Shwani, gobble gobble. Lose 121 again. We go in again. Maybe. It could just be a swing fail. Anywhere above this is alright to me. And it could even be a swing fail there in the higher time frame and still be okay. Yeah, that's the 118 box right here. We really could trade all the way back down to here, but I like the 118, 117 for like a nice, like, it's pretty much 05. And golden pocket, that's pretty nice. Look at that. Get above PDEQ. Oh, by the way, somebody said what about the long for BTC? Does anybody remember before I went over to the shitcoins, me looking at this area as a potential area of interest? Order books are slamming. Yeah. Juice. Not bad high. Juicy. Yeah, time to get some bottom shorts maybe. Let's go, Frescon. Let me guess, S&P. Shoemaker 20 control. Previous value area high. Get a close above VWAP. That candle is ugly. Just indecision on the first 30. CME close the gap. Close back above it. Pretty mathy. Maybe we come and get that one. Gotta get above VWAP first. Okay, yes. It's unstoppable. What's up, Tarak? Exclamation hot dog. Let's go. You want to see Sui? You want to try and get it in? I don't have much longer. I know. Shoutouts, maybe Band-Aid. Bysant, how we doing? Tipception, Vala. Yeah. Exclamation YouTube, the levels are the levels. A lot of this is planned for. This is juice. Bugatti. It's gotta be testnet. It's too easy. Wake up. Wake up. Exclamation dashboard. Giveaways coming. Check out the exchanges. Check out the tools. Exclamation tools. Exclamation Discord. Let's get in there and nerd out. Exclamation coin-wise. Where is everyone? I don't know. What do you mean, where is everybody? We got 900 iPads and 26 viewers. What are you talking about, bro? Let's go, Jamaica. Nookie, exclamation prepared. Let's go, Buzz. Shoutouts, Buzz. Grinding. Crispy, let's get it. Shoutouts, PSG. While we are juicing, we need more people. We always need more people. We want more lions. Yeah, but y'all are in the VIP. Y'all are in the VIP if you don't know it. We juice. It's a special space. You know, what an amazing community. It's looking... Yeah, I mean, we just nailed the fucking bottom of market open. But it's breaking. You might be able to look for a pullback entry if it rejects. Yeah, exclamation YouTube, and you can kind of see like the explanation of that one. Kingpin. Is any specific questions? We went through a few altcoins. We went through Bitcoin, S&P, and Bitcoin CME futures. Yeah, and you know, we came up with some plans for the upside and the downside. Kind of the standard operating procedure here. We had some people executing on their own knowledge. Some of them may have used some of what I talked about as confluence. Yeah, but it's never about here is the entry, stop loss, and your take profit. Yes, I am in a couple of trades.
Useless Lines Records.
Yep. ESOL, BTC, and Doge.
I said a whole lot of damn juice.
Oh, and Sui.
Playing with me. KIMBA gang.
Yeah. Yeah, anything that you are looking at specifically, or you're just trying to juice, brother?
KIMBA gang. Who juicing gang? PSG gang. KIMBA gang. KIMBA gang. Who
Yes, and I did not head short at the highs. I got it. I was at the doctor's for some eye thing when it hit, and you know, that was a nice retest though. But I took profit. Took profit. Nice. Took a long on ES. Yeah, you can't go wrong. It's the fucking money printer, isn't it? Yeah, it's going to be interesting. We got FOMC minutes coming out in about 4 hours. Stops and profit. Yeah, was that just a single print grab and go? Pixel. Pixel, that's a big place that we need to flip. So even just the single print grab, but I like kind of coming into that zone and really letting people out. That's the worst feeling though. You're like, oh shit, I'm so underwater, I'm so underwater. If it just gets to my entry, I pixel long that. If it just gets to my entry and then it freaking front runs you by like 50 cents. Oh. Like, no, come back. Come back. Yeah, we have plans. We have plans if even if all of this is lost. It's not all over. Nice. Nice, Kingpin. Juice. You on a broker exchange or are you on like BTCC? Exclamation dashboard. Yeah, you can do like TradFi positions on some of the exchanges. BTCC is the one that we've been using more recently. ETH long juice, so guru, let's get it. Funding ticks. Noise. That's cool. Hey, whatever allows you to trade, especially if you're juicing. You know, if it seems kind of sketch, that's your own call. I have no knowledge of that one, but juice up, brother. Mint buy Bitcoin, Satoshi, bruh. Alright. Let me just look at LTC for Buzzo real fast. And Coke, you still in Aster? Are you still here? Just something that we've been Buzz. This is ugly as hell. But quit playing with me. 115. I haven't opened this since Monday, dude. You still in this? Yeah. Yeah, it curvies, doesn't it? We got rate cuts. Exclamation rate cuts. We had an amazing time for that FOMC meeting. Exclamation YouTube if you want to catch the replay of it. It was juicy. And then, yeah, we've been planning for this for over a year. Right? Highly anticipated. And then we got another FOMC in a couple weeks. What's it, 3 weeks from today? Is today the 8th? Yeah, I'm sure we're going to be doing some fun things there. And there's a lot going on. Exclamation Discord, exclamation dashboard. We got some big things coming up. Some fun seasonal stuff. We got Halloween. Shout outs Danny Balot. Big cheers. He juicing. If you just got blessed by a sub from your boy Danny Balot, make sure you get your Hermes umbrellas out and thank you, man, Danny, because he juicing and spreading the love. Big cheers, brother. Anything you want to see? FrezCon. First of all, if I pull open that coin, are you in a position or are you looking for a position? I need a little bit more here. ETH Bear Div. Yeah. I mean, we're just looking at the levels on it. LTC, we need to get back up. It reclaimed VWAP, which is a good thing. We are trying to. It actually completed a full rotation. Open outside. Oh wait, no, it didn't. What am I talking about? It did not. It rejected from value area low previous day and nuked. Cleaned up that. ETH and Biddy did the same thing. Not really great loads. This is worse than it is in any of the other ones that we've looked at so far. Yeah, we're just establishing value down here, kind of filling out the value that was lacking in this area. We need to get back above that pretty much. And I'm guesstimating that's somewhere around the value area low for the range. Yeah. A little bit lower actually, but yeah, value area low. That would be a good place to get back inside, really above this, and then you got your point of control like right around 119. Those are some good areas. It's not out of the woods yet. You maybe get a little sweep of this to clean it up, unless Bitcoin really starts pulling back. Bitcoin to 118. You know, the alts are going to get hit a lot harder. You might get that 112 that we kind of talked about a little bit. Might even get that 108, which is not ideal because it's kind of giving the whole move back. All right, let's get your CFX, and then somebody asked about ETH again. Almost 14 cent long, stop loss 13.5. That's pretty broad stop loss, but I feel you. Yeah, and I can see why. The lows are bad here. We need some new music. I'm just like feeling this song. And it was just easy to click it. Yeah, the lows aren't great. Kind of trying to get back inside this whole value area. Overall, the structure is not great. Off of those highs in the daily. But you got a whole value area down here.
Candles flicker, breathing slow. Stop lose tight, we let it go. She feel the juice, the macro swing. Charts in sync, let the siren sing.
vision's kind of messed up right now, so you see me like squinting or leaning in. I am old, but that's not the reason. I have really good vision usually. I just like fuck my eye up pretty bad. You have that. Let's see it for the impulse. That's including the impulse, which brings it lower. Lord, that's a good high too. And I clean that. I mean, you're kind of in no man's land. I guess you could maybe say it like that, but that's the reason that it kind of held this area for a while. That's much cleaner. And I'm in daily charts right now. Just kind of filling out value in this region. So you just kind of had to go up a local structure, I think. And what you did is, all right, bad highs above. You got some inefficiencies above as well. Trying to complete the fill of a single print. That's a pretty good probability with that wick all the way up there. I'm sure in like, this is spot. I'm sure in perps it filled it. Just with like the liquidity. Veratina, let's go. Yeah, you got to get back up inside here. Yeah, you're gonna get resistance up here if it makes it that far. Around monthly VWAP, you got structure. Even with that being bad, you're gonna need some help from Biddy and S&P. S&P is dildoing. Let's go, Yanthro. Yeah, I only have a few more minutes. Look at that, it's going for it. Exclamation, we strong. Exclamation, shout outs to the US economy. We got FOMC minutes coming up, and let me guess, the market is bullish. Yeah, we're only at like 60-1000 right now. Blinded by the TPs. Yeah, looking good. ICP, Minio. Yeah, I remember you asked about that. Somebody else asked. Yeah, America. Let's go, yeah, bro. Big cheers. Big cheers. Superman, how we doing? How we doing? Dude, this song is like the closest one to the inspiration out of any of them, I think. It's a good song. It's funny though. Shout outs to everybody that's participating in the talent shows. Exclamation Discord, exclamation talent show. Get your submissions in. Yeah, I think it's a viewing party tomorrow, but make sure you're there. It's a lot of fun still. Just vibe out. Maybe even giveaways, question mark. But yeah, they're a good time. Yeah, you did one, Riddler. You did another one before, didn't you? Have you won? We got a lot of winners now, and you can juice up some good money in these things. I think game shows are coming back soon. There's gonna be some really juice things. Oh, you won in the poker. Nice. Yeah, we'll be bringing that back before too long, I'm sure. Yeah, the whole team's been kind of had our hands full, all hands on deck lately. But I'm sure we'll get a little bit of that coming back. Yeah, we did one in September, I think. Maybe two. Yeah, big cheers. Yeah, check out the talent show. Get your submissions in. Shazaman, how we doing? thing. All right, ICP. I definitely don't have it in my list any longer. I did I traded it. I had it in I was trading spot back when I was trading it. Internet computer systems. That's like calling it product of product. Buy product. We lost the level, trying to reclaim it. Little failed auction with a div. Yeah, big CVD div. You can mimic if you want, but the last one tried and got burned absurd. I've been locked in 7 years straight. Stay sharp, so it's all confirmed. Yeah, I don't know about the open interest on this one. But yes. These games too big, can't fold up in a session whipping donuts. They pay me to move silent. It's the grown life of a closer. The gentle Aquania. Blast off moving like a broker. Dude, I was trading it back when it was like 30 bucks or 20 bucks or something. I don't even remember. Every candle got a meaning, every pullback got a turn. Fractals clean my level, speak confirmations get confirmed. Sniper mindset structure set, I strike when I discern. Liquidity gaps I'm lurking, see them tapped and watch it burn. I think that was like, I got in at that altcoin summer. All these streams they tapping and they somewhere around 30. KIMBA gang the movement, now we built it from the dirt. I think I only went to like 50 or 60 though. These charts get cooked and served. I'm that guy, dish that was so long ago. Sam Bateman's, I don't know, Latisse, really? Pull up on resistance, I'ma flip it where it hurt. Pour two in a kettle, I'm a fiend for clean returns. Soon as New York big no shout out to him. No offense to anybody. I'm not an enjoyer. And Caroline either. They can suck it. And that's probably one of the more negative things that you'll hear me say here, but not a fan.
How can I miss a trade?
I'm not usually that negative. And that was not bad.
Quick gains, no sweat. Analyzing charts, I say that I love this.
We're Lions. We like to appreciate everyone, just if they're
somebody tell the skeptics that we're mastering that in my zone. Focus mind, see the stats react. Profits
taking advantage of people.
Bears plotting, but we counteract. Setting stops, keeping capital intact. Post analysis after we've won. Can't slip, won't reveal how it's done. I don't know about you, but I value my grind. Clean local low. It's okay. It's outside of value. You need to like actually hold that, and it's actually trading back in the previous day value. The full rotation play is possible. Been out of town for a month. Absence made the gains grow fonder. Forex or crypto, mention my name when discussing the genre. How can I miss a trade? Our 80% setup. Snipe entry on the drop. You had the CoinWise exclamation CoinWise my alerts are set.
Value area
Entry on the drop.
highlight.
Quick gains, no sweat.
It's possibility if you weren't able to recognize that we opened our daily outside of previous day value.
We move in silent, strategies refined.
Reclaiming back inside. You know, it tried to, but it lost it. Reclaiming back inside and holding for multiple candles is a good sign. You see this a lot though, like just because it opens outside doesn't mean that the rotation's gonna happen. Pre-market insight shape my plan. A lot of times it can, and we saw it on Sol, it can open outside and just reject from value area or bounce from value area if it's on the other side in the bullish direction. Look at that, that's beautiful. I need to like mark that one down. A swing fail.
Reflecting post-trade
journaling away. Responsive selling. Continuous improvement day by day. I'll never remember it. I need to write it down. I'm always nerding out, looking for like good things to make content about. Do nerd outs about.
The market's global, trades running every day. No reset. How can I miss a trade? My alerts are set. Snipe type entry on a drop. Quick gains, no sweat. Analyzing charts, I say that I love this. No regret.
All right, let's see some real
Market's
coins.
global, trades running every day. No
For
reset.
this, that's a good high. We need to get back into here. Completing the rotation would be good, and that is a bad high right there. Oh wait, that's locally TPO good. Not good right here. That's weak. It did the same thing that ETH did, just like different time frame. Where it front ran the highs.
KIMBA, testnet, juice gang.
Yeah, just because you have a good TPO, or just because it's a weak level, good TPO can hold something. We had a couple of nerd outs about that. Alright, let's get over to some Bitcoin. Oh wait, I need to see Disaster real fast. Look at Dot, Fitception, I got you. He rugged that. He rugged a lot of things, dude. Shout outs to everybody that got in on Soul at like $8. Yeah, and the trauma from Luna being like 6 months before. A lot of people didn't get in. Quit playing with me. Quit playing with me. That 175, then we're reclaiming the 188. That's what we were talking about on Monday. That was so nice right down here. To the pixel. And then our 192, nice little failed auction reclaim. Yeah, it looks like it's having a little bit of trouble around our VWAPs and previous day point of control.
Yeah, you know the mode when we post in the chat, the gang arrive, watch the kill zone melt, we coincide, KIMBA fam don't play, we plan and win, we flipped it once, we gon' flip again, I got close to the top so I whispered in, this a level, place your entry,
There
now
you go,
we
KIMBA
locking
box.
in. All a trader really need is a little bit, not a lot, just risk right a little bit, we can flip that bag in a little bit, I'ma show you how we win in a
05.
little bit, move that stop just tight by a little bit, run it up, take profit a little bit, risk a little, then double a little bit, secure the win, then chill for a little bit, baby the chart's looking right, you feel me? SPX gap set the night, you feel me?
Yeah, it's not much different.
See the light, you feel me?
Yeah, you're above $2. You're above that 190. Anything above that 188, I felt like was pretty good. Yeah, kind of weekly open area. Lots and lots and lots and lots of bad highs through here and up here. That's holding. And that was the old point of control. Lost it, rejected. Baby wants a Bugatti.
Crypto wallet stacking while I'm grinding all night long. This 9 to 5 ain't working. Why the hell do I work so hard? I'm out here making plays. I can't worry about
That is
these
just
charts.
so
One, here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Tell 'em bring it
volume. I'm telling you, y'all. Yeah, Minio. Big cheers. I know. Let's go, Latisse. 4.097 dot. Yeah, this is looking pretty okay. That low is like, but we're doing okay. We're like still holding structure too. In lower time frame. Just for my own curiosity. BNB V, strong. Establishing value, you got a triangle. A pennant. Holding weekly VWAP this morning. Last night. Bad highs now. That's a good high though. Yeah, it could even sweep this and still be alright. It's strong. Future finance. Rejecting. Yeah, it needs to hold this. That 340 was an area that we talked about a long time. So it's kind of like a retest. You have all the way down to like 320 or 330 again. You don't want to trade into the single print. Gives a whole move back. It's almost like a 3 drive, but it's not. Yeah, and you get back above that anchor VWAP that's right there. It's kind of like where you would think of the value area. See it without drawing it. You see it so much. Yeah, you're pointing control up there. Definitely need to turn this into support. Back above the 20. 22 is pretty important, I think. Yeah, that's where we kind of rejected before. 10%. Bad lows, holding it, and somewhat holding structure. That's probably value area high of this. Yeah. I'm like so late, I need to get out of here. Yeah, it held value area high. Just for fun, I need to check it. Hype. Hype, hype, hype. When did we draw that box? Still okay holding this. Need to get back above this consolidation first, and then that $48 area is pretty important. Alright, let's get back to BTC, and then we'll look at Boomer Finance before I get out of here because I'm like late. I gotta go. Hype long, looking for some rotate. Let's go. Exclamation YouTube, exclamation BTC live. We charted a lot of things in this short amount of time. Came up with some good ideas. Yeah, BTC, it had that like little sweep and trying to hold value area high breakout. That was nice though, like people juiced on that. Yeah, just need to hold out here. Accepting back down below. You know, if we get back down to like 122 400, 122 300 is probably coming next. I gotta get that in at least one time a stream. Big shout outs to KIMBA. Much love. Big shout outs to all of, yeah, shout outs to Buzz. Big shout outs to all the mods and admins, the developers, the graphics team. Much love. Yeah, much love to everybody that's rocking your Lines of Lithuania gear and NFTs. Cheers to that. I still got mine. I'm holding. I got diamond hands for my Lions of Lithuania. That's the future of finance. That along with, what was the thing that we called the future of finance the other day? Oh, Magic the Gathering cards. Yeah. Dude, my eye is so wrecked. Big cheers to all the OGs and veterans Big cheers to Danny Bullock gifting subs. Big cheers to Maybe Band-Aid and Calling Noob. Thank you to the resubs. Exclamation dashboard. We got a talent show coming tomorrow. I'll be back on Friday. I have a new schedule, and next week it's going to even be different from this week. So just keep an eye on the dashboard. We got resumption streams coming this week. I'll be here on Friday. Make sure that we get prepared for the weekend. If things get like insane and we like start nuking below 118, I will come on. Otherwise, we got plans. Plans to the upside, fib extensions. You want me to pull a fib extension so you can see it? Psychological numbers and fib extensions for price discovery. Like, there's really nothing more than that. And then low time frame structure. So your 1.25 is 127.7, your 1.618, 128.9. And think about the 130. I could see it getting front run if it got up there. The high isn't great, so you could get a swing fail. Yeah, we come back up here, flip this to support, those highs are probably coming. Flip this into support, I would be thinking a lot more about that 1.618 or maybe even a little bit more than that, rather than like a failed auction, like small little, a failed auction, like a shallow one, or a swing fail there. Turn that into support, I think that more is coming. So look at your high time frame candles. And that's a far way away at this point. We got to get back in value. It's rejecting from value. Yeah, to the downside, we have the 120, 100. Like, you could even just sweep and clean these lows as like our first potential area. And then, you know, a reclaim, like close back inside. That would be like a little bit interesting. Not that that's a trade call. And then, you know, retesting like the 118 area. 118 to 118.7 kind of. Any of this whole zone is fine to bounce from, and that puts in a higher low. This is a big, big, big move. It went like $18,000 in like 8-9 days. Pretty fucking aggressive. Flushed out a lot of open interest yesterday. I don't like to look at this at daily charts, but you can kind of get an idea about that. Some of the longs, there's a lot of longs still in the market. CBD. We got minutes today too, so you know, just understand that you might get a complimentary flight on KIMBA Airlines. Shout outs Calling Noob. Maybe Band-Aid, you got gifted one what? Hey, cheers. Hey, cheers to Hunter. Hunter's grinding. Yeah. Hunter's crushing it. For real? Juice. Juice. It's too loud. Alright. I turned it down a lot and turned my mic up a lot. I think I stepped away. Is that better? Is that better? I apologize. My bad. We got fucking jets in my neighborhood. I live in a war zone. Nah, man. He took SpaceX mission to Mars, but he'll be joining us on KIMBA Mobile very soon. Yeah, he's juicing. You know that Kimba's a moon man. Out of this world.
If lions can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat,
Is it
and
too
grind, the
loud?
journey's just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom, lions trades gon' run.
Hey, Mighty T, man. We're fixing to wrap it up.
I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom, lions trades gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see
That
through the
is
scandals, prices
single
the box,
prints.
and we puntin'.
Single prints are like fair value gaps, but they don't happen as frequently. Single prints are TPO feature. Yeah, super juice. TPO is a big thing. Has a lot of, it provides a lot of edge. Single prints. Characteristics. Yeah, we might do a nerd out on single prints.
Is calling, we ready and dive in and validate the doubt. Reversal in our sight, mind sharp, pull the trigger and the profits take flight.
Yeah, I know CoinWise has some juice coming for single prints, I hear. Amazing indicators, exclamation CoinWise. Give it a shot yourself. Yeah, you can try it out, try out all their pro indicators, and they spent years developing some of them. There's some nice stuff and a lot coming. Now it's too loud. How's that? Any better? Yeah, haven't like, because I adjusted it the other day. Somebody was like having me fix the music and stuff. Damn the music volume. Yeah, you. Wait, you wanted to see something. Yeah. I'm trying to sell stuff to you. Like, stop worrying about the music. I'm not actually trying to sell stuff. Oh, shit. Sorry, Fibception. You wanted to see something, too. I got to get out of here, but... Yeah, 420. 420 was important. You said you got in at 409. You're looking okay. You're looking okay. That's not that bad. And it's a good low down here to clean this. Yeah, you're looking all right. Need to get back above value area high, like 416. That would be a good place to start. It's rejecting and losing point of control. Still have VWAP on your side. Still have value area low up right above your entry. But I'm guessing that like that's your like stop losses, you know, one of these two lows. I'm not calling stop losses. I'm just like using logic with that. You're a great trader. It did not clean that high. It cleaned these and didn't clean that one. That's crappy. Yeah, but you came back up here. You like reclaimed the level that we talked about, kind of the $4 psychological level, and is looking all right. Yeah, I need to just get back above and inside this consolidation. It's actually inside value area low. It's rejected from the point of control. Nearly to the peg. So it depends on what, like, which pair you're looking at. But yeah, it's inside value area low, which is right around VWAP, previous monthly VWAP. And that will be a lot of confluence. But this whole zone, it's not very much. And there's a lot to either be a zone of support or a zone of resistance. So just kind of based on what everything else that really drives the market. Yeah, Tiny P, nice. Dot loves that 420 level. We all love that 420 level. Exclamation Latuche. Kimba turns off music during TA. It's off now, right? Yeah, I need to turn it off for all the TA. But like, dude, my whole stream is TA, so I guess I need to just not have music, right? We did that the other day. Because I'm just like, but yeah, but shout outs Curvies. I need to just like cut it back a lot. Let's see. Stream playlist. It's not even showing up in my sources. Yeah, if it's like way too quiet next time, then you'll have to let me know. Yeah, TA is what you guys are here for. You got music in the away stream. Oh, mint. My bad. Dude, I don't even know. I don't even know what that thing is, and I'm so late. Fucking always do this. How do I let you guys do this to me? Oh yeah, yeah, is it a new coin? I never heard of it. It's in Discovery. Do your extensions. Oh, and it cleaned. It cleaned. Yeah, I don't know that 250. Get back inside that. It's over. I don't know. Dude, that's a long time. Looked like it was a pretty important level. It looked like it probably was inevitable that we would take it when we traded 3 days at that level. It's pretty funny that, yeah, has it got a narrative or anything? Kanjuki. He is on when he's able to be. Exclamation dashboard. And check out the full stream schedule. You will have advance notice. Exclamation Discord, keep an eye out. And in the dashboard, we do giveaways. There should be some more this week, I hear. But we're here to juice together, to nerd out and improve and vibe out. Yeah, we got some more things coming this week. Big cheers. Cup and handle on the 1 minute or 1 month. That's a month. That's cool. La Big V, big cheers. Schwani. Exclamation coin wise. Yeah. Big cheers, Jamaica. Kimba AI, you. Much love. Wait. Did you ask for something? Oh no. Big cheers, you. Satoshi, Kanjuki, Manaka. Yeah, we're getting out of here. Yeah, I feel you, USX. Yeah, I'll just have it like really, really low if I do it. We were doing nerd out music, but I was just like, got so bored. I feel you though. These are thoughts in my head. You're trying to like see it, see my perspective, even if you're not trying to see it the way I see it. Buying the indicator. Oh, big cheers. That's awesome. Yeah, you can, you can use that. It's a free trial, so see if you like it. Yeah, it's really juice. When your nerd out music is death metal, yeah. Oh no, dude. I know, I'm like so desensitized to the music, but yeah. You kind of have to with like my nerd out or my pace in the streams. I'm just like so unemotional. When I'm here like juice. Bugatti. The math is the math. It has to be testnet? Like I'm reading it from a teleprompter? You need some vibes. That dad energy is real. For real, dude. I'm tired, boss. Much love, baby Band-Aid. Much love to all of you. Big shout outs to all the mods, admins, developers, to the whole team. Yeah, I have an important announcement. I don't know if you saw, but I did it, or I don't know if you heard, but I did over 1,000 of them. JV, big cheers. Baratina. Yeah, when they put the question mark in the... Yeah, there you go. Nailed it. Well, fuck you, San Diego. Yeah, much love, San Diego. Much love to all of you. Much love. We're all from Laquania. Stay classy. Stay classy. Let's go. I'll see you soon. If yeah, and I said I'll hop on if things get like insane, but I don't see that happening. Keep an eye on 2 p.m. New York time, and I'll catch you on Friday. Otherwise, stay classy, Laquania. Stay classy. I'm gonna do some yogging. Big cheers. Big cheers to YouTube, Flow Phantom, to Bobby Toxic Pedal, Superman, Banshees. Let's go. Who juiced up on the Banshees gifts in YouTube? Let's get it. Yeah, y'all have a great day. Hope you juice up. Trishul, Natero, Ace, he reaving. I know I need the sign out music, but I haven't got all my shit together. Wiztard, let's go. Yeah, I do not need a sign out on the mint chart. No offense, Satoshi. I hope you juice on it. Yeah, let's see some Tardfi. Gap retest. Oh. Ah. What is that level? Settlement. Ooh-wee. All right, y'all. Exclamation coin-wise, exclamation dashboard. Much love. Yogging. Yogging. Radon. You. Baratina. Burgix. Much love. Big cheers, everybody. Crispy. Let's get it. Let's get it. Shout outs PSG. Exclamation Discord. Much love, y'all. I'll catch you next time.
Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, Dre's gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind. Structure, fibs, and order flow, profiling,